everyone, here we are going to roll and make 3 circles from the dough. After this we are going to roll the center dough and then the bottom and then the top portion as well and put all of them at the center like we are doing here. After doing this, take a chopstick and put it at the center like this. Fold it and you will get this flower shape. Now put a date at the center. After this we are going to make multiple cuts. So take a knife and look, it's ready. After this we are going to make this flower, so put a date at the center like we're doing here. Using fork we are going to make further designs on the top of it, and look, it's ready. We're also going to fold it like this and make the flower petals, and look, your dough art is ready. Let's make a very beautiful dough art today. So roll these 3 dough together. Now we are going to start rolling it like this and take a comb and make a pattern on the top of it. After this we are going to take a chopstick and fold it, do the same for rest of the piece. Now take 4 circles and make pattern on the top of it using comb. Cut all of them and put it in a straight line. Look at these semicircles. Now using chopsticks we are going to fold it, put a date and roll it like we're doing here. And look, your flower is ready. Put it on the top of the design and look, your beautiful dough art is ready. Roll a dough and make 3 designs like this. After this we are going to hold all of them from the top portion and braid it like this, like we do it with our hairs. So hold it like we're doing here and braid all of 3 together and keep it aside. Now take 4 circles and make a pattern on the top of it using comb. Cut all of them and put all of the semicircles in a straight line. Now we are going to put this date and roll it like this, and look, your beautiful rose flower is ready. Open the petals and we're going to make a ring like this, and look, your beautiful design is ready. Here we are going to make 2 cuts on this dough. Using fork we are going to make a beautiful design, so press it and look, it's ready. After doing this we are going to fold it and make 2 rings, put dates on the top, make 3 more such designs and put it in a circle. Now take 4 circles, press it using comb, cut all of them and make semicircles and place all of them in a straight line. Now we are going to roll it and look, your rose flower is ready. Now we are going to put it on the top of the design after opening the petals, and look, your beautiful dough art design is ready. Here we are going to hold this 2 dough together. Now put a date and start twisting it. So repeat the same process over and over again. Put a date and fold it like this. Now take 3 circles and put date on the top of them. After this we're going to press all of them like this and put them in a straight line. Hold it from the center using chopsticks and make a flower shape. Now fold it, make a ring and put it on the top of it. Take another piece of dough and make this pattern using comb. Now make multiple cut using a knife, hold it, press it from the side, and look, your flower petal is ready. Put it on the top of the design, press it from the center and look, it's ready. So hold these 3 dough together from the center using chopsticks. Using knife we are going to make cut. Now using the chopstick roll all of them like we are doing here. Now fold it like this and make this heart shape. After this take another piece of dough and make a pattern on the top of it using fork and make multiple cut as well like we are doing here. Fold all of them and make this flower shape and put it at the center. Make 3 such shapes and press it, and look, your beautiful dough art is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.